A summary has been sent to the Chief Minister for immediately allowing application of the recently announced package of the Punjab Police on civil officers and officials who also die in the line of duty. Full stop. The Chief Minister had approved an enhanced relief package for all categories of police officers and officials last week. Full stop. It offers three packages for these officers and officers who lay their lives in an active combat with terrorists, become target of terrorism like during guard duty or are killed in encounters with criminals or in road accidents. Full stop. At present, there is no such relief package for civil officers and officials who die during their service under all these three circumstances. Full stop. The enhanced relief package was prepared by police department, but it was sent to the Chief Minister after approval by the Home and Finance departments. Full stop. Official sources said on Wednesday that the Finance Department had already approved the proposal to also extend the same formula to the civil side of the provincial government. Full stop. The proposal was to give the same amount of cash, house and other facilities to the heads of civil officers who lost their lives during law and order and other duties. Full stop. Besides civil administration, it would be applied to all government officials who perform field duty, like those who are killed while administering polio drops. Full stop. The recommendation was to give the same police relief package to civil officials according to their grades, like giving the package of and above officers to commissioners and provincial secretaries. Full stop. The police package carries different packages for the heads of those who sacrifice their lives in active combats with terrorists and those who fall in encounters with criminals during law and order situations or are targeted by criminals on account of their previous actions against them. Full stop. The families of police officers and officials who die in road accidents during an active official duty will get relief packages. Full stop. The heads of officers and officials who die at the hands of terrorists or criminals will be allowed to retain the official residence under their possession will still the retirement age of the officers and official full stop. They will also be granted funding for purchasing houses full stop. The families of police officers will be allotted residential plots in the federal government housing schemes as entitled to their ranks full stop. The provincial police officials up to the rank of will be given plots or commensurate amount by the provincial government full stop. Thanks for watching my video.
अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो लाइक और शेयर करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें।